Okay, Eric, I think it's really effective. I do. I think it's a really good book cover. I agree with everything you're saying. It's a tip of the hat to the confession. The cassette inside the manila envelope points to like forensic and a police investigation. And I agree with everything you're saying here. I think it's a superior approach to the first. I think there's a couple of things I would recommend here. Now, don't forget we need at least three images. I'm not sure if there's three. It's hard to tell. I see the cassette tape and the envelope, but we need three images. We need adjustment layers and we need blending modes. So, and then also I would recommend at this point, I would recommend doing something a little bit more interesting, a little bit more visually engaging with the type. I think the typeface is a great choice. It's a typewriter typeface, and it kind of points back to the original era in which this story took place. I think the whole thing points to nostalgia, and that's fantastic. That's great, but I want you to consider using color. And the reason I say that is if with the tip of the hat to nostalgia, right? But don't forget, this assignment is supposed to appeal to a younger, more contemporary audience. So I think by using color in this would probably add a little bit more of a contemporary flair, something that might be a little bit more accessible to a younger audience than this black and white. I think this is great for the original book cover, but for something that's pointing like a reinventing a classic, I think it would be sensible to maybe try to add some color and some further visual engagement here. I definitely would like to see more. The typeface is a great choice, but I definitely would like to see some more visual engagement, more experimentation with the typography. Okay, that said, I think as I said, I think it's superior to the first. Um, so you're definitely pointing in the right direction. Um, I think, yeah, I think the Truman Capote could probably be presented a little bit larger to us. Right now, that could get lost in the composition. So think about that. Think about adding color, a little bit further visual engagement in the type effects, and then of course remember three images, adjustment layers, and blending modes. Okay, great. Any questions at all? Please let me know. Thank you very much.